Hello friends, we can see new reactions called as benzene condensation reactions. In the benzene condensation reactions, we can use a two molecule of benzaldehyde which react with the alcoholic potassium cyanide molecules and to form a benzoin. Here having molecular formula CH, OH, C double bond O and benzene ring. It is called as benzoin. This benzoin here it is the alpha position. In that alpha position this is the OH group is present at the alpha positions. That's why it is called as alpha hydroxy ketone. Alpha hydroxy ketone. Here we can define the benzene condensation reactions when two molecules of benzaldehyde react with alcoholic solution of potassium cyanides to form benzoin is called benzene condensation reaction. Is called benzene condensation reaction. This is about the definition of the benzene condensation reactions. The two molecules of benzaldehyde react with the alcoholic solution of potassium cyanides to form benzoin. This benzoin is also called as alpha hydroxy ketone because at the near to the carbon alpha hydrogen and alpha carbon atom are present. In that OH group is present. This OH group is called as alpha hydroxy groups. That it is benzoin is also called as alpha hydroxy ketones. Then we can see the mechanism of benzene condensation reactions. This is the mechanism of benzene condensation reaction. In the step first, we can see the step first dissociation of the reagents, the potassium cyanide. The potassium cyanide can be dissociated to K plus and Cn minus ions. It is a nucleophile. Here, this nucleophile in the step second, the benzaldehyde molecules is react with the cyanides. Nucleophile attack on the carbonic carbon of the benzaldehydes to form an intermediates. See here, these are intermediates. C, O minus, H and cyanide ions. Here, this is the intermediate first. These are intermediates. Here in this intermediate, this is a lone pair of electron present in this. They can be dropped here and here simultaneous. The loss of proton and the addition of proton can be take place simultaneously to form an carbanions, carbon C OH. The proton can be transferred at these sites, cyanide ions, and here there is a formation of the carbanions. The second step. In the step third, the formation of benzene can be take place. In the step third, the benzene can be take place. Here, whatever the carbon formed are again it is reacted with the second molecule of the benzaldehyde. It is called as the donor. It is called as acceptor. Here the carbon attack on the carbonic carbon of the benzaldehydes to form these compounds C, OH, Cn, C, O minus. Here this go here and H, and this is the benzene rings. This is the intermediate second. Here the proton, this proton can be transferred to the here. The transfer of proton can be take place. Transfer of proton can be take place to form these compounds. Here C, O minus, cyanide ions, C, OH, CH, and this is the benzethine. It is a alkoxide ions. Here these molecules, here the negative charge can be transferred here, and the cyanide ion act as a good leaving groups and to form a benzoin. To form a benzoin, C double bond O, CH, OH, and this is the compound. It is called as benzoin. It is also called as alpha positions, alpha hydroxy ketone, alpha hydroxy ketones.